Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. This is our daily speaking episode, and last a few days I was very busy, and I was working several types of work like election as well as my family members, and finally I'm making another video. And I would like to discuss about previous election which one held a few days ago, last 12th February in over the country. And as far as we saw, several types of media like electronic media, newspaper and online media published several types of news, but summary of the news is like that election was peaceful and without any murder. There is the first election after liberation war, and this is very critical topics. But after election we are facing several types of quarrels or several types of attacks and each other, and they are burning their against parties house, living station and so on. Sometimes they are attacking their against parties people, along with beat them, whatever. After election scenario is not acceptation, and before election is, or after during election day was very nice comparatively previous election like last one and further one. And if you observed last 4 or 5 election, as far as I can remember, I saw first election, and when I was juvenile I understood the scenario. It's a election, and it was 1996, and on the time Bangladesh Awami League elected by the Bangladeshi people, and they are reforming the government. And 96, 2001, 2008, 2014, 2018 and 2024 I saw those election, and maximum election managed by or operated by Bangladesh Election Commission along with army. But we saw that every election faced a common issues. During election days there are huge number of peoples died for attacking their against party. It would be election center rather than outside center, and after election. But this year we didn't see this type of scenario, but after election we saw this type scenario. And today member of parliament they completed they have completed their oath inside the parliament, and right now they have completed their ministry oath outside the parliament, and under the sky, open sky. And this is the first scenario when people are parliament member are getting their oath or making their completing their oath under open sky. So I think it's time of Salah. Thank you so much for watching.